welcome to the Arcus help channel. In today's video, we'll cover how to change your default project. Now at the top of the main menu, you'll see a prompt to switch projects. And let's say you pick a new project and you like it so much that you want to make it your default. Well, click the icon in the upper right and select Profile and Account from the drop-down menu. Select the Projects tab on your left. Choose a new default project. Save your changes. And now if you log out and log back in, you will be in your new default project. If you have any questions or if you would like to learn more, please follow the links in the upper right-hand corner of the video or in the video description down below. These will take you to our support page, our help site, and to more of these video tutorials. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using Arcus.